In the words of former US President Donald Trump, I've always had a very good relationship with Vladimir Putin of Russia, but something has happened to him. He has gone absolutely crazy. The context of this rebuke: a recent surge in Russian drone and missile attacks on Ukraine that has sparked international concern, and a drastic shift in Trump's previously cordial stance towards Putin. The severity of the situation is underscored by the fact that Trump, who once lauded his diplomatic rapport with Putin, now openly criticizes the Russian leader's actions. The escalation is not only marked by an increase in attacks but also a significant advancement in Russian drone technology. This has left the world in suspense, questioning the ability of Ukraine to successfully counter these attacks. In a world where diplomacy often takes a back seat to power plays, Trump's rebuke signifies a remarkable departure from his earlier approach. It is a testament to the gravity of the situation and the escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine. The Kremlin, in response, attributes the situation to an emotional overload of everyone involved. Following Trump's rebuke, the Kremlin launched a record number of drones at Ukraine. This marked an unprecedented escalation in the ongoing conflict as Russia intensified its aerial onslaught with a barrage of upgraded missiles and an army of drones. The Ukrainian Air Force, in response, was pushed to its limits, engaging in a high-stakes aerial warfare. They claim to have shot down a significant number of these drones, a testament to their resilience and determination to defend their homeland. However, with every drone shot down, another seemed ready to take its place in the sky, an eerie testament to Russia's advancements in drone technology. This escalating drone warfare brought about a new age in this conflict, one where the sky became a battlefield and drones the new foot soldiers. The Ukrainian skies were filled not only with the roar of engines and the whistling of missiles, but also with the buzz of drones, an ominous reminder of the changing face of warfare. The situation was further complicated by doubts and questions surrounding Russia's drone technology. Despite Ukraine's claims of having neutralized a significant number of drones, doubts lingered. With every drone shot down, questions arose. How advanced is Russia's drone technology? How many drones does Russia have at its disposal? And most importantly, how can Ukraine counter this escalating threat? As the conflict continues to escalate, accusations of aggression fly from both sides. The world watches on, holding its breath as the skies over Ukraine become a battleground for a new kind of warfare. In the aftermath of these increased attacks, international allies have taken notice. The gravity of the situation has prompted a shift in stance from Western powerhouses. Germany, for instance, has begun to lift restrictions on arms deliveries to Ukraine, a move indicative of the escalating severity of the conflict. This development is a significant one. It signals a growing commitment from the international community to support Ukraine in its struggle. Yet, as the arms flow increases, so do tensions, with the Kremlin voicing concerns over this shift in policy. Meanwhile, Ukraine isn't just seeking military aid. Ukrainian officials have been vocal in their call for more concrete actions from the international community. Top on their list: sanctions against Russia. They believe that such economic measures could serve as a powerful deterrent, perhaps even steering the course of the conflict towards a peaceful resolution. Yet, as these calls for sanctions grow louder, the response from Russia remains one of reluctance. There is a seeming unwillingness to accept proposals for a ceasefire, showing a continued commitment to their militaristic approach. With the conflict showing no signs of abating, the world watches and waits for the next move. To reiterate, Trump's rebuke of Putin has drawn international attention to the escalating conflict in Ukraine. In a surprising turn of events, the former US president criticized Putin, calling him absolutely crazy for the increased missile and drone attacks on Ukraine. This rebuke has brought a new level of international scrutiny to the conflict, which has only escalated in recent months. The escalation has been marked by a record number of drone attacks from Russia, with Ukraine reporting substantial engagement with these aerial threats. Yet the conflict is far from one-sided. Ukraine has also launched its own drone attacks, and both nations claim to have neutralized a significant number of the other's air vehicles. The international response has been varied, with Western allies like Germany lifting restrictions on arms deliveries to Ukraine, while Ukrainian officials continue to call for increased sanctions against Russia. Meanwhile, Russia appears reluctant to engage in ceasefire talks, further fueling the conflict. As the drone attacks continue, the world waits for a resolution, and the question remains: what will be the next move for these world leaders?